Giving up Forex trading should not really be an option for you. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hi Forex traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. This is video and podcast number 199. And in this video and podcast, I want to talk about why you should not give up trading. And it depends on how long you've been trading, depending on which side of the fence you're on. You see, each week I get a huge number of people come to me and they say, look, Andrew, I'm new to trading. I've never traded before, but I think though that I'm going to be really good at it. And I think I've got the personality to be a great trader and make all this money and give up my job. And I'm just going to be so good at trading. What do you think? And I say, well, calm down, got to be real about this, because people think that just because, they're good at one thing means that they can just suddenly give it up, jump into trading and be perfect. So I tell them, and a lot of the time this is against what they want to hear, of course, because they want me to go, yeah, go for it, fantastic. And I say, yeah, go for it, wonderful. But start small, start on a demo account, get yourself educated, get yourself a system, etc. Go through, get bigger, go live, consistent, and then, yes, you'll figure out if you can trade or not. The other end of the scale, we get people who've been trading for a long time and it just doesn't work and, it's all wrong. I'm going to give up. It's my broker's fault, my computer's fault, my wife's fault, the dog's fault. Doesn't matter whose fault it is, but, it's everybody else's fault. But I've been doing it for so long and I've just had enough and it's not working. So, you get that sort of feedback as well from people. Luckily not clients. These are people who are just approaching me for their last bit of help. So you get that. So depending on which side of the scale you are, new or angry, frustrated, annoyed, ready to give up person. But I urge you, don't give up, whichever you're at. Because as you know, trading Forex is just so fantastic. But you've got to, of course, have a strategy and an understanding of the markets and make it work. But what you also need is a calm, level head, keep your emotions under check, under control approach to trading. And really that is one of the big keys to trading. These people that go, I'm going to go into another system and it doesn't work and it's rubbish and had 3 losing trades in a row, I'm going to change and buy another indicator, or, it's just not going to happen, because you have to understand that trading is, the markets are out of your control. You have to have a strategy that you can keep trading, keep doing, be methodical, have a routine, have a plan, all those things together. Everybody has losing trades, losing days, losing weeks, losing months. It happens. We all have them. We have good trades. And when you have good times and good trades, celebrate it. Yeah, it's great. It's wonderful. Your account size has grown. You made some money. Wonderful. But do not get greedy with that. Don't suddenly start thinking you're indestructible and you're going to double your position size and, I don't need a stop loss and I'm just going to take random trades, because the end result from that is it will get you in the end. So you've got to be very sort of methodical, level-headed about it. To give you an example, every day for the last 7 years, on my membership site, between 5 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time, I've posted on my membership site for my clients specific trades based on the daily charts and other market analysis. And there'll be a handful of days in the last 7 years that I've not done that, and that's completely things out of my control. But pretty much every day of the trading year, I post on there for clients the currency pair we're looking at, the reasons for the trade, the direction, the exact entry and exit levels. And so what that does is it helps the people, my clients, to learn in real time, in advance of the market moving, but also to earn from that as well. You see, if you've done nothing else than just copied those daily suggestions just for this year, just for 2016, from January through to now October, you'd be up over 36% on your account just from copying 5 minutes, maybe 10 at the most, once per day. So not only are you learning how to do this, so you can then apply the same strategy to any time frame chart, is that you're actually earning at the same time. So, you know, great things going on there. But bring it back to what's happening in the market. This week for me has been really tough. You know, it's been a hard week. I've got 3 trades behind me going right now that could take a losing trade into certainly a break even and probably into a profitable week if those 3 trades come through and continue the way that they're going so far right now as I'm recording this video and podcast for you. So you have to accept that sometimes you will get losing days, losing weeks, losing months. If I go back through my history, October every year seems to be quite a difficult trading month. I don't know why, but it just does. That's just a fact of trading. So, but I'm not going to suddenly stop and throw my hands in the air and give up just because I've had a losing week, because this morning I took the 3 trades that I saw, and hopefully those 3 trades are going to make up for those losses plus some gains, and then get October into a profitable month for me. So that's the lesson there. Have a system, stick to it, understand it. Not all the time will it work because market conditions change, and those things are out of your control. But what is in your control is the emotions, low risk, keeping greed out, high reward to risk, getting a time frame chart that suits you, all those things. So I hope that helps. Really looking forward to joining you this time next week when I bring you video and podcast number 200. I'll talk to you then.